If you get solar installed on your home in 2022 or later, you are eligible for a 30% federal tax credit. How does it work? If your solar system is $20,000, then you can get $6,000 in a tax credit. How do I claim this tax credit? You claim this when you file your taxes next season or next year. You fill out Form 9695 from the IRS. You have up to 4 years to claim the full credit if you don't receive it in the first year. The 30% federal tax credit requires that you have tax liability. The most common reason that you will not qualify is if you don't pay your federal income taxes or if you live on Social Security. Check out the links in the description below for Form 5695 from the IRS, the Inflation Reduction Act, and the Energy.gov site explaining in more detail. Let's talk. Text SOLAR to 208-314-2408.